Hi, this is Amy Bonis. I'm here today to talk to you about how to win your bid in this very, very competitive market. It is a crazy market out there right now, and people are having a tough time getting their bid accepted when they're making offers up against all these other people. And so I'm going to teach you today how to go ahead and win your bid. So what are the things that you need to do to get your offer accepted? The very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are pre-approved to buy a house, not pre-qualified, but pre-approved. This requires us to pull your credit, look at your income, etc. So that's the first thing. The second thing is you definitely want to have an excellent buyer's agent. So you're not going to be driving around on a Sunday and like pull in front of the house and like call the number on the listing sign. That's a listing agent. You're going to have your own buyer's agent. And the third thing is you want to have a good amount of due diligence money to offer the seller when you write up your offer so that they take your offer very seriously. We'll talk more about that in just a second. When you do get pre-approved, you need three things, three C's. The first C is your capability to pay back the loan. That's your income. You look at your income. The second thing is we are going to look at your credit. We are going to have to pull a credit score to go ahead and make sure that you are approved. And the third thing is we are going to look at the collateral. We are going to view the collateral, the house, your down payment, your assets, and determine how strong of a buyer you are. Those are those three things. When you get pre-approved, we want to pre-approve you 3 to 4 months ahead of when you're looking to buy a house. That way, if you have to pay off a debt, and then you pay it off, it affects your credit score. It won't affect your credit score for 45 days, sometimes 7 or 8 weeks. So you pay off a debt, now you found a house tomorrow, all of a sudden you don't have the credit score that you need to get that excellent rate or lower mortgage insurance premium. So that's why you get pre-approved 3 or 4 months prior to when you go ahead and look for a house. Also, this is the Southeast that we live in. It's the South. People like to know who they are working with. They like to know the lender. They really don't want to work with a big box lender or an online lender. They want to be able to call somebody, go knock on their door, call us up, yell at us, but they definitely want you to use a local lender like us to help you with the process. So what I want you to do is get out a pen now. So you want to write down these very important things to get your offer accepted. And the first one is just so simple. Please make your offer in a timely fashion. Don't wait till beyond the deadline to make your offer to the seller. They just won't accept your offer in this market. Also, please don't look at houses above what you're qualified for, okay? Please don't do that because you just won't get your offer accepted. Also, ask your buyer's agent to go out and give the listing agent a phone call. See what they can find out about the property, about the seller, about the situation, so that that can help you, okay? Also, you don't want to offer below the ask price or ask the seller to pay closing costs for you. That is going to weaken your offer. What will help your offer, though, is for you to write a heartfelt letter from you personally as to why you want to buy this beautiful house, why they should choose you over any other offer. And you can even include pictures of you, your family, your dog. I mean, whatever it's going to take to personalize the offer so that you're not just a number anymore. And these work. These will help you get your offer accepted. Again, you want to use a local lender like us, somebody who's going to send your loan to underwriting to approve you ahead of you making an offer. And we are going to state this in the pre-approval letter to help you. The amount of money that you give in due diligence matters. Make it count, okay? If you offer $500 to get your offer accepted, but Joe Blow offers $5,000, that is a much stronger offer in terms of the due diligence money, the deposit that you give the seller. That matters in getting your offer accepted. So make sure that you're working with a good amount of due diligence. Now you're ready to get your offer accepted. Prior to doing that, you want to reach out to us. You want to schedule a time for us to talk, either by phone, conference call, or you can click the link below. You can have access to my schedule. You can call us, text us at the number below, or feel free to email me directly. I would absolutely love to help you. When you are filling out the application, it doesn't have to be perfect. I can change something on the application for you, okay? So that's not going to be a problem at all. But you do want to make sure that you fill out the information properly, like with your name and your social security number, your date of birth, and particularly a 2-year work history is very important. If you are a first-time home buyer, we are going to talk to you about the various down payment assistance programs available out there, and also the mortgage credit certificate programs, which are basically government subsidies to help you make your mortgage payment every month. These are fantastic programs that are going to help you qualify for more. We are your people. We want to help you obtain your dream of home ownership. And we are going to do our very best to get you the absolute best deal for your mortgage. We appreciate your time today, and we are looking so forward to working with you. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I look forward to hearing from you. You can reach us at 919-414-4430.